Welcome the students in science class. Class 6, Unit 2, Force and Motion. Topics: Force, effects of force, unit of force, motion of our body, motion and rest, types of motion. Force, the agency that tends to change the state, rest or uniform motion of an object is called the force. The SI unit of force is Newton, capital N. Effects of force are: force changes the state of body. Force changes volume of body. Force changes the speed of body. Force changes the direction of body. Force changes the shape of body. Motion. If a body changes its position with respect to its surrounding bodies, the body is said to be in motion. Example: moving cycle, running water, flying bird, etc. Rest. If a body does not change its position with respect to its surrounding bodies, the body is said to be in rest. Example: tables, benches, trees, etc. Motion and rest are relative terms. Types of motion: translatory motion, the motion in which the moving body has same speed and same direction is called translatory motion. Example: a car moving in a straight path. Circular motion. The motion of body in circular path is called circular motion. Example: a car moving in circular path. Oscillatory motion. To and fro motion of a body is called oscillatory motion. Example: motion of pendulum. Random motion. The motion of body without any fixed speed and direction is called random motion. Example: motion of dust particles.